Menteri Rangba Conrad ki sangma hak artway trik kelalingkon ula plie paidbah iaka Meghalaya Games ke Bahindrio hamadan Wahiajer Multi Sports Complex. Hakani ka jing plie paidbah layudan lang ki arngut ki simbut Menteri Rangba ba Preston Tensong mas nga bhalang dhar Menteri Katana Sports ba Shakler Warjri ki wei ki Menteri Sorkar Eti Mondal April Ningdo coming one amban u MLA ka juwai ma wailat miki Syllad bat ki wei. Hakani ka jing plie paidbah ka ba jingshongshit bat ka ba ipu iping. Layadon lang ru u Ambassador to India Embassy of Uzbekistan Sardor Rustam Bayev. Kani ka lumpung ba ka jala ka plilat ik jingela kai traditional sports kum ka jingela kai maupon ra mokra bat anding oka. U Menteri Rangba habakran hakmat ki palat khatsan jarngut ki paidbah banwan ha stadium bat kinongelek kai palat lah jar sans pa ngun ki balai lumlang hamadan yelek kai ulaong ka jingelek kai kam dei tang ka jing job takma ka desha phang ka jing te ya ka jinglong ka ji kai ya ka jing tre shitom bat ka jing penroy ya ka jinglong renti ki wei pat ki baladon lang ha ka ni kasngi kilong working president ka MSOA ba John F Kharchiyeng Vice President ke MSOA but Chairperson Reception Committee State Level Event ke kong Matsiu Dorwar Nongbri na lor kiwei.
Friends, these games are not just sports events. This is investment in our youth. This is not just a sports event. This is about building the character of our future generation. Playing sports is not just about winning a medal. Playing sports and participating in such games is about discipline, is about hard work. It's about accepting defeat, learning from the defeat, and improving your skills. It is about building character. It is about bringing our athletes to different parts of the state. I'm sure there are many of you who must have visited Jawai for the first time, visited Gente Hills for the first time, and I'm sure there were many of you who had visited Turai last year for the first time. We want to build up that unity among our people. It's about culture, learning about different tribes, different communities and their way of life. I wish all the athletes the very best. As I said, it's not about or only about winning. It is about becoming a better person. It's about participating. It's about enjoying these moments. These memories will be with you forever. And maybe one of the best memories you will have. Cherish these moments. Enjoy these moments. And one small request. Learn to respect each other. And it's a very simple thing. I would want the athletes who are coming out here, I hope that you will learn about each other's cultures, language, different aspects. I hope that our athletes from Garo Hills will start dancing to the tune of Kong Uwo when they go back. I hope that you will visit some areas, some villages in Gente Hills, maybe some tourist locations. Learn more about Gente Hills and our culture. And the only way that we will be able to grow as a state is when there is respect and there is unity among each and every one of us. And respect is very simple. It is how you would want others to treat you. When we go to another district next time, how we would expect them to treat us. We should ensure that's how we treat them when they are here and treat each other with respect.
East Garo Hills are the athletes from East Jantia Hills. the flag bearer, Mr. 11 Khan, and his sports discipline is athletics. Mr. 11 Khan has won many medals, gold, silver, bronze, a few of them to mention. He has won the silver medal in the district inter-school athlete meet 2018, gold medal in the second Northeast Zone Olympic Game 2022, silver in the 800 meter Northeast Zone Inter-University 2022.
She has also won medals, bronze medals in the Northeast Olympic Games 2023, and she bears the crowning glory of being the best athlete of the 5th Meghalaya Games 2024.
Following is Khasi Hills are the athletes from East and West Khasi Hills. The flag bearer, Mr. Damampura El Maulong, and he has won gold medals in the National Kickboxing in Guwahati 2024 and also National Muay Thai Guwahati 2024. Ladies and gentlemen,
From North Brazil, the flag being worn by Miss Cecilia Marat is the sports discipline is athletics, and he has also won several awards and medals in the state levels as well. Let's cheer them up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. These are the athletes before you. Right now, parading. Let's encourage them.
and it happened to join the Wahiajer, Wahiajer district. Flag bearer Mr. Syllad Suma is in the 2000 meter East Zone 2018 Bihar Patna. Also national team participate 2023 Gujarat and 2024 Goa. Has also won the gold medal in the Northeast Game 2022 800 meters and 1500 meters. Tadi tapi bocor dia nak siasat head control di mana lagi yang ni.
And now we have the contingent from South Garo Hills, the flag being worn by Miss Jerichi S. Marak. Her field of sports is athletics. She has also won several medals in the athletics meet of 2023 with a gold medal in 1500 meters, gold medal
athletes from Wahiajer district. A big round of applause for all of them, please. last 24 years in the UNAM National World Flight Championship 2023-2024 held at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Can we get a round of applause please for all the athletes? Approaching us now, the athletes from West Canter Hills. Its discipline is athletics. And he has won gold medal in the 400 meter mixed relay in the East Zone Junior Athletic Championship 2024. And also a gold medalist in London 100 meter in the Meghalaya Games
'cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top.
It is my honor to declare the 6th Meghalaya Games as open. And also 3 gold and 1 bronze in the 5th Meghalaya Games. And it is a pleasure to inform that the athletics, in fact the only athlete that will be representing our state.
In the name of all participants, I promise that we will take part in the 6th Meghalaya Games 2025 versus Wahiajer district.
We'll fight till the end, 'cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top.
Out there on the field, we would like to remind all of our guests and all of you, ladies and gentlemen, that coming up next is an ensemble music. It is a visual delight that will come to you shortly in a few moments from now. Athletes, you may start moving to your seating areas and clear the ground slowly so that we can begin the next segment of the program, which I promise you will be a visual.
Paidbah santrik yang new benai kerban ia piro woman kinong lipet ke yakni kinong ile nang yung sim yung borni yung man kinong kerchani ki dang magani ke Meghalaya Games man ko jingshongshit wadap ikmen wadap de jingshongshit kata hadu pasni go kon ko daw yo yang ini kinong ile ki yang isa chisi.
Absolutely, all of you must visit the venues, the different venues where different sporting events will be held to encourage these athletes right before you as they participate in several categories of sporting events that is going to be held till the 25th.
He will enjoy you can get janmate you can DJ performance. Kemudian tidak piuman.
Alright, so please, I hope you had your feel of glory. Yes, the moment.
Thank you. Arun.
Chief Minister and other dignitaries are interacting with the sportspersons out there on the field. We would like to remind
come down.
future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, cause that's who we are. are the future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top. We are the future, we are the stars. We'll keep on fighting, cause that's who we are. We are the future, oh, oh, oh. And we'll keep on fighting, oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. We are the future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top. We are the future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top. We are the future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, cause that's who we are. We won't back down and we won't give up. We're striving forward and we'll reach to the top. We are the future, we are the stars. We'll keep on fighting, cause that's who we are. We are the future, oh, oh, oh. And we'll keep on fighting, oh, oh, oh. future, we are the stars. We'll fight till the end, cause that's who we are.